Hello everyone, Samuel from creativetrading.system.com. Making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. I've been tracking gold and as always, right? But let me show you what happened this week only. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 7th, 8th, and 9th. Right. So this is a daily chart, my Elliott wave count, SNL levels and all of that. So this was the chart that I made it, and then it's supposed to be going to the upside. So it started to go to the upside and then came back down, right? So what happened in this? What is this small, it's very hard to understand here, but also tracking my Renko chart, the smaller time frame Renko chart. Let me show you that how I am tracking that and what is happening there. Uh, uh, Even before the Renko charts, I'm also making a 4-hour chart. So let me show that. This is the 4-hour chart. Where the heck is that 4-hour chart? Let me see. Okay, right here, right? So I made it on the 28th June, right? So it's saying that, this is like wave three, wave four. This is like a daily chart, but it's a little compact, right? So this is one and two, and then it's going to go to the upside. So this started to go to the upside, and this happened. So it went from here to here, and then it dropped. So what is this like small thing here? I just showed you on the daily chart as well, right? So this is like a wave one, and then A, B, C, wave two. But in this chart, it's very hard to understand here, right? So that's why using like my Renko chart, small chart, to see what is really happening there. So this chart so far, it went up again, it bounced from here. See that? This is what happened. Right. So I moved the TL from here to here, and then see it came down and then hit that TL and then now again bouncing. So it bounced from here first, but then drop again, and it made like a girdle pattern, sort of, right? A harmonic pattern. So let me show you that. Let me show you that. This is what happened. Right. So on the 7th, Monday, I made that chart. So it bounced and then it came back down here. Says wave one, and this could be like wave two ended probably here, or it will drop to 61%. And there's a chance that it will drop all the way to 78%, right? There's always a chance, right? But you have to be aware. My system is that I wait for possible turn, right? And I'm ready on these specific levels. So whenever the turn comes, I get in, right? So that's what I said that maybe it's going to bounce from 50, maybe 61, or maybe 78, right? So what happened to this chart? You can see next chart. I'll show you that, this is on the 7th, right? So this is what happened. So this thing started to bounce exactly from the 50%. And it went up all the way there to this high, right? Which is also 23% line, right? And you see this here, by doing this, what did I do? I took the trade from, as it says here. See this $1,000 size reversal candle, and start to go to the upside, blue candles. Then I look for my 150 BS chart entry, which is right here. Right, it's on the 7th. So this started to go to the upside, the entry here, and 260 pip to the upside. Now, what happened? I made this chart once we were here, that's 20% line, right? So now that you have two choices, that either is going to go straight to the upside or it's going to drop and make like a harmonic pattern, like ABC correction, and then it will go to the upside, right? Elliott wave, ABC correction, harmonic pattern, it will be like X, A, B, C, D, and then it will go to the upside. If overall trend is up, which is it is up, right? We know that. So this chart, now I made this chart. Yes, a lot of people, may not understand what the heck is that, but this is my diagram that I use. You see this Elliott wave, we have one, we have two going to the upside, or it could be like we have two here and then go for three. Or it is like correction. If it is correction, then A, B, C, and then D could be 100%, 127, 161. That could be also A, B, C, D. Or a harmonic pattern, black count, X, A, B, C, and then D. Now, C point is the key. That key turning point means that here you have 50% chance of either up move or down move. So you need to be very careful. And that's why, if you look at this here, that I made this blue mark is my second option, second scenario. The first scenario is always the yellow mark, right? And so my first choice was like it's gonna drop here and then go to the upside from here. But the second option was that it may not drop and then it will probably go straight to the upside. So it chose to be dropping like my first choice, right? And this is what happened. This is what happened, right? So right from there, it didn't go to the upside. It came down all the way here. So now what did I do from this 150 BS chart? This did I do. This was the entry. So a lot of people ask me that why I don't show my losers, right? So basically, either they're not there or if they're there, usually they hit like a break even, right? So this was, see this arrow here? I didn't remove it. And I said this, okay, this is the entry. It came down here. I sit on a break even. Then the price goes up and hit my SL. And then again, the second entry and it took it this one and then all the way down. Right. Even let's say, even if I, miss here, if full SL, which is always like 25 pip, then minus the 330 minus the 25 pip, right? So it really doesn't pay anything, to show and to do all the hard work to make the chart. It's just to show I lost. This is how I lost the 25 pip, right? So they are there, but they are very minimum. So it's not, worth showing it. Anyway, so see, this is what happened. Then I made the chart. Once it was all the way down, then I made the chart that's going to go up today, right? So this is the chart that is going to go up today. And there's another chart I made. Either it's going to go up from here or here. So I'm missing that chart. But this is the one that I made later on. And then what happened to this chart? This. So far, I recorded this chart a little while ago, right? It is probably up here, 3380, 3320, sorry. Let me see on the computer here. Right now we are, no, we are still 3313, right? So we are into, exactly where right now FOMC is happening, right? So God knows what's going to happen. So that's why I, close my trades and all that. But going to the upside, what did I do? Again, same drama here. From 1000 reversal, and then I look for my entry, and then I find the entry, and here's my entry. Going to the upside, buy orders right there. When it goes a little bit more, I come and sit on a break even, and it goes more, then I make it like my SL is like, break even plus 5 pip, 10 pip, something like that, and went all the way to 220 pip plus. So these are the trades, and these are what's happening. And not only that, I'm making this video after all of this happened. I'm posting every step of the way. I posting all these charts on my Telegram. You see this on the 7th. The first I posted here. That's gonna go to the upside. 4-hour chart as well. And then later, I posted the gold. Where's the gold? Right here, this one, the second chart. Once we were there, I said we're gonna drop, and then I said here, see this. I said even I'm gonna make a video and then explain what the heck is that, and I did that, right? So I posted the video as well right there, right? Explained every single thing. I posted my trade as well, and this is the chart before, and this is what happened after. So I post that and the trade. But then I posted this chart that is going to go up again from here or here, which you can see that I posted so far the trade. I'm going to post after charts as well. I think we're going to go up a little bit more. So after that, I will post. But I closed the trade already. I did? No, I didn't. No, I did. I don't know. So I'm going to check into that. But this is 220 pip positive already. So you see, this is how I'm doing it. Go every day, like maybe one or two. Sometimes I get two trades, but so far I have Monday one trade, Tuesday one trade, 220, 330, and then again today 220. Right? And this system, like between the 1,000 box size and the 150 box size, is so good that it's very, very hard to lose or have a wrong trade. That's like a 1,000 box size. When the reversal candle happen, that is 90% of the time it is a reversal. So once the reversal is happening, all you gotta do is catch up the good entry, precise, perfect entry where you don't get negative, and then boom, it goes in your way. All right. So if you don't still understand, then I would suggest that just go sign up for one-on-one. By the way, I removed the sale, the 4th of July sale from my website, right? But if you watch this this video, And if you're still interested in any one of them, then I'll still give you 50% or any of my service. So just give me the reference for that, for the video that you watched the video, and then I'll do it. But it's not available on my website anymore, right? So, but for you guys, yes, it is still available, and my trade setup people, my mailing list is still available. All right, so this is it for now, and I'm going to make a new chart. Once this FOMC result will come out and gets out of the way. I think it's already out of the way. It was at 2 o'clock, right? So it's 5 o'clock, 3 hours. So I'm going to see the reaction and all of that, and then maybe later on, then I'll make the new chart and new video probably for my subscribers. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well as sign up for my free Telegram here where I post at least you will get to know every day what is happening. You will be, getting update of all these trades taken, right? So that if you want, you can join my group and take it from there and start learning. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.